Hi, I'm Mo from Go Play Sandwell. Welcome to another Super Sundays activity. Today's activity is called Things to Look Forward to Jar. And all you'll need today is a plastic jar or a plastic or a glass jar. Okay. You'll then need some things to decorate it with. We've got some feathers, we've got some tissue paper, we've got some stickers, we've got some sequins. Alright. And we'd like to put a label on the jar, and the label must say things to look forward to. So I've already done one here. Okay. Now, as you know, we're all in a bit of a difficult situation at the moment with lockdown. So today's activity, what we're going to do is we're going to write down on a little piece of paper what you would like to do once lockdown is over. So I've put down things like I'd like to meet with my friends. I'd like to go to the zoo. I'd like to go to the cinema. And I'd like to hug my nan and granddad. So once you've done that, fold the pieces up, put them into the jar, like that, and do as many as you can. Okay? There. Oops. And there. Put the lid back on the jar. And before we go any further, we'll just decorate the jar a little bit. There. Some smiley faces. Another smiley face here. Here we go. So that's your jar now complete. Now once lockdown is over, you can then open the jar, take out an activity that you've already put in there, what you'd like to do, and it says go to the cinema, and hopefully you'll be able to go to the cinema with your family and friends and really enjoy your time.